Apple Pay tutorial, how to set up Apple Wallet step by step. In this video, we're going to be talking about how you're going to be setting up your Apple Wallet in the easiest and most simplest way. So what you're going to do is you're going to come over to your wallet, and once you're over here, what you're going to be doing is you're going to click on the plus icon up here in the top right. And once you click on that, what happens from there is it should load you over to the wallet edition section. And the best part is that you can add any type of credit card provider that you have into this, and that helps you with contactless payments and a whole lot more as well. And what you can do is you can also set up Apple Cash for yourself, where you can add in the card for yourself. So we're going to click on continue. So what happens with the Apple Cash card is that you can send and receive money from different places. They give you a fee that applies as well. So if you want to order that, you can do that as well. But the main way to set up your Apple Pay would be to add your very own card to your wallet. So just go over to your wallet, click on the plus icon. What this will do is it will open this up. So they will give you the Apple card. But if you want to suggest Apple Pay for yourself through your very own cards, what you're going to do is you're going to click on debit or credit, and this brings you to Apple Pay. Now, what you're going to do is from here, just take a picture of your card, or you can enter the card details manually for yourself. And once you have done all of that and added your card to your wallet, that is how you can set up Apple Pay for yourself. So that is pretty much about it for this video. Thank you for watching till the end, and I'll be seeing all of you in the next video. Have a great day. Goodbye.